Come join us at Los Pinos in Des Moines, Iowa, as we try one of the best taco trucks in the area. Friends, we're at Los Pinos here in Des Moines, Iowa. This is one of our trusty standbys. We come here for tacos, street tacos specifically, and tamales, and they are delicious. Stop licking my arm. And she even thinks they're great.
Hello.
I'd like to do 5 steak tacos and then 4 tamales. We're a winner! Our food is ready. Let's go get it. All right. Thank you. Ooh, I'm so excited. Thank you. Have a good night. It's my husband, so we're going to squeeze the lime on there. And it also comes with grilled onions, which are seasoned to perfection and delicious. It just has a little steak, a little cilantro, and a little onion. These are the best steak tacos. Here we go. Fresh, citrusy, tiny bit of heat. Just a little like salty, crunchy from the diced onions. A true must-have. I love to put the sauce on. And then I eat mine with a fork, because I'm a weirdo like that. But I love it. You can see the good pulled pork in there. It's seasoned perfectly. Delicious. Hot. It's just phenomenal. You can tell that they were cooked with love, that it's spicy but not too spicy. It's got that pork that is just falling apart and delicious, and then it gives you a little bit of chew on the outside, almost like the outside of a bagel, but the inside is real soft and kind of has a polenta feel. Anyway, highly recommend. Give it a try. So I have to tell you, those tacos are still my favorite. I've had them a million times and they are still my favorite. Best street tacos I've had since Mexico. The tamales, fantastic. Soft, chewy, kind of comparable to al dente pasta. 2 thumbs up, Los Pinos. Keep them coming. Can't wait to try it again.